Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can set up Voicemeeter Banana for Fivem. So the first thing that you want to do is to open up the application, click menu, and make sure that the system tray and run on Windows Startup is enabled. So in that way, if we close out of the application, it will only be hidden onto our system tray right here. Right after, you also want to head over to your sound setting, click more sound setting, and just make sure that Voicemeeter is enabled. So it's going to be this one. And for the second one, it's going to be the Voicemeeter B1. But in my case, I've already changed it to the Voicemeeter main microphone. Now, inside the application, it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to make sure B is checked for your microphone. You also want to click on this drop-down menu, click on your microphone, and from there, it will be able to register it right here. You have the ability to select mono. In here, we have solo source and we have mute button. Now for fader gain, it's just a way to increase your microphone volume. And if you press A, you will be able to hear yourself. It's really important to just select B right here. But if you're testing the microphone out, then you want to press A. Now for the color panel, now you can adjust this accordingly depending on your style. As you can see, if I play around with this slider, I will be able to change the echo and brightness. For the audibility, this is just a mic threshold, so if you enable it in a way, it won't go ahead and register small noises. For the last thing, you want to select main microphone or the main speaker, so it's going to be the hardware output. And then it's the same thing where you could increase the volume for your headphones or your speakers. You want to click on this button until you enable this specific option. And lastly, you just want to head over to your Fivem and make sure that the output device and the input device is selected to Voicemeeter. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.